Hello all, welcome to the video. So today in this fourth video which I am going to tell you about how to draft a mail in clear, because the first video which I have uploaded was not proper. I was like not able to tell you a clear information. So this video you will get a clear clarity again, like what is the necessity or what and all things to be updated in email. Like I'll just tell you like how to draft a mail once again in this video. It will help you out. So try to update the subject line. See, the subject line of the email should be attractive, body of the email, and before body of the email address the person, like the address with their first name, and then try to even have a greeting, and then you can start with a paragraph. Like then try to mention, if you are experienced, mention your CTC part and notice period. If you are a fresher, you can ignore this. So you can, if you are a fresher, you can update only the current location, preferred location. That's most enough. And then your signature column. So signature column, you can update these things like best regards and other things. So I'll just read it out. So try to have a look on this particular video. So the subject line of the email, it should be resume underscore your name underscore experienced professional in whichever field you have experience. So fill it up that gap. And in case if you are a fresher, so try to put it resume underscore your name underscore looking for job in whichever field you're interested. So and don't put the common words like finance or operation. Try to be little bit clear, like accounts or banking, software, technical support, network engineer. So try to be a little bit clear in your domain. And this addressing a person, so as I told, it should be the hello and the particular person first name. If you are interested, you can also use the word sir as well, sir or ma'am. And then never make any spelling mistakes in the email which gives a bad remark. And leave some certain lines wherever necessary. Don't continuously type it. This is what my tip for you, as I have come across a lot of resume in the last 3 to 3.5 years. So I'm just giving an overview about whatever tips I can give in the video. So the paragraph should be like PFA. The PFA means please find the attachment, PFA resume for your reference. I have completed, and you can mention your year of pass out, education details, your total years of experience, and in which field you have experience, and which field you are looking for job. That also you can mention. And then your current experience, whatever, or the previous experience which is already mentioned here. Then try to update the skills whatever you have known and what applications you have worked, everything. Then this really matters a lot in order to get a response. So thank you for your time and consideration. Looking forward to hear from you. Do let me know if you need any more details or any other details from my end. And if in case if you want, you can also add, like in case if you are not a relevant HR, so try to forward to the internal team so that I can, it would be great. So you can even add that kind of sentence. Then expected CTC, unless and until if you have worked in Dubai or other countries, you can update like what is your expected CTC in India. Because for people who are residing or who have worked in India, no need to put expected, because that can be negotiated later. The notice period, you can try to add like what is your notice period if you are currently working. If you are serving notice period, you can mention clearly. And willing to relocate, that you can also add. And never try to tell any fake information or tell anything wrong which will create a bad impression. So try to update whatever location you are into and which is your preferred location. Unless and until you are ready to relocate, so then you can try to apply for this particular job. Then comes your signature, then your current city. Below your signature, your name, and add your phone number, email ID, and your LinkedIn ID. So try to copy your LinkedIn link and paste it here. And you can even add a sentence, good day. This is how a email should be. So the next thing, and one more additional, is an optional. If you want, you can even add a proverb in below your signature. That gives a clear view. And I just wanted to tell you one important update. So here I have collected top good companies in one particular. I hope you're able to see the company names which I have mentioned. So whatever the companies which are there, my level best, I have tried covering it in this particular information. So I think you are able to see clearly. So I have started from four columns totally, top good companies. So all the companies I've mentioned clearly. So you will get a clarity like which and all companies to apply in case if you are not aware or if you are a fresher. And the next information is another the second page of this. So I've even updated few more companies whatever best I can. So all the companies are updated clearly. You can have a look at here. So these are the top good companies where you can work. You can even note it down, or if not, have a check. So this video will really help as it has a lot of information. So try to share it to a relevant job seekers who are interested. And the third thing which I want to share you is I have a group actually in the Facebook account. So it is called Career Updates and Aptitude Questions. So here currently I have 197 members, and here I try to share all the aptitude questions or interview questions. If you're able to see here, I've shared certain interview questions and the topics or whatever the career related info I have tried sharing here. So if you're able to see, like, there are a lot of interview questions which has been asked, I have updated here. And if you can see here, I have given an update like the tips. See here in this particular this one, create even a video resume of tell me about yourself for 2 to 3 minutes, and it would help additionally with a cover letter in an email. So this really helps, and these are the certifications which are really helpful. And try to have enough good idea on this Excel skills, data management, Power BI. So these are the things which you can try. And these are the interview questions where I have updated in this group. You are able to see, like, I have shared all the things, like including uh, the choose the correct answer kind of, like this can be even helpful if you are applying for a bank exam or if you are applying for any interviews. So I've shared a lot of company interviews, a lot of company interview questions. So try to just felt like sharing this matter so that you will get an update, like apart from LinkedIn, like what I try to do, like what I try to share. So this group especially will help 0 to 5 years if you want to crack an interview. And these are the things like which has been shared. So in case if you want to know more information about this particular group, so let me know so that I'll try to add you here. So you can reach out to me, I'll try to add. And even if any feedback on this particular video or any suggestions, you can even comment on this particular YouTube video. So I would make sure that I would get back to you or update you the status. And one more thing which I felt telling you is like the photo in the resume. So in the starting of the resume, photo is not necessary. So if you still want to keep, you can keep it, but make sure it is a professional photo. But it is an optional. So you can start with your name, and in the center of the resume, and later part, like you can below you can add your LinkedIn ID, and you can update your phone number and email ID. So I've already covered the video of how to edit the resume in last video, so you can have a look at that. So these are the things which I felt telling in this video. Hope this video is helpful. And also this additionally, I've tried sharing the information of this top good companies. So have a look at this again. I'm just giving an overview about the company names. So try to apply. And certain companies, they even hire via the portal. And when you are like and certain companies you can apply via Naukri, or try to get a reference from any people, or check with any of the employees who are working there how it works. So these are the research which you can do it. So each and every company is unique and different, so try to explore yourself on what are the company names, or there are a lot of company names which I've clearly mentioned. This post is also there in LinkedIn, but I had posted this for a long back, like maybe 1.5 or 1 year back. I would have shared it in my LinkedIn page. So hope you got a information or good information in this particular video. I'll try to share even some more videos. If anything, if I want to share anything, I'll just try to upload it. Even if you have any suggestions, you can even ask me like what kind of videos I need to upload related to career or job search, so that I'll try to do it. Thank you everyone. Be safe and all the best for your job search. If any clarifications, just reach out to me, and also keep an eye on my post. Whatever job openings um, which are relevant to you, you can try to apply. Thank you.